Clear? Okay. Now after success, okay. So after successfully log into the system, first we have to go through the sales and distribution tab. Now, maybe in your case, the sales and distribution tab may not be available initially, so that you have to click on the more option. Whenever you click on more option, here you can find the sales and distribution. But as of now, I have already selected under sales and distribution. That's why the sales and tab is already available over here. Now, our first objective. What is my first objective? If I go back to the PDF, here you can find first we have to create the new customer. Why new customer is required? Now our objective, we have to sell some product, right? So this is the entire information is already available over here. So our objective, we have to sell some bikes, right? So to sell the bike, definitely we need some customer. This is the first step. So now we will learn how to create a new customer in our SAP system. Then we will jump to the next step, that is to create the contact person for the customer. Now, whenever you have created the customer, so definitely there are some persons is required who will communicate with the customer. And then in the third step, we will make some relationship. What are the relations between our customer and the contact persons? Like if I take the simple example for our student case, whenever you take the admissions in your department, definitely you have allocated to your one mentor or your academic coordinator. So whatever the challenges you have faced during your academic, definitely you go to the academic coordinator or your mentor. So this is basically the relationship between a customer and a student as well as the academic coordinator or the mentor. Now here I am saying it's a mentor or it's a academic coordinator. That means I have to make some relationship between the student and that particular persons. So in the step number 3, we will learn how to set some relationship. So this is the main objective. So today we will definitely try to complete the 3 steps. One is create customer, another is customer contact persons, and then definitely we will set some relationship. Okay. Now just scroll down. Here is the entire description is available. Now to create the customer, first we have to select the sales and distribution, which we have already selected. Then in the role of sales representative, you can find there will be an app. This is nothing but our app. Which app we have to select? Manage business partner master data. Okay. Now go back to the system. This is the system. So sales and distribution tab is already selected. This is my sales representative tab section. Under sales representative section, here you can find manage business partner master data. So here you have to just click on it. Whenever you click on it, you can find this type of interface will be open. What is our
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
screen also?
Yes, sir.
Which
Okay. Now, here you can find there are multiple field options are available. So by which we can filter out our master data, business master data. But as of now, we have not yet created any master data. That's why we have to create the business partner. So here you can find the create button. So everyone please click on create. Now, whenever you click on the create options, there are two options are available by default. One is persons, another is the organizations. That means your business partner can be a single persons, can be a organizations. So definitely our objective is to create a one business partner under a organizations. That's why we have to select organizations. So everyone click on organizations. Good to go.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have successfully reached to the create organization tab. Now under create organizations tab, we have to enter some informations about our business partner. What are the options are available? One is general data, then we have a standard address. So there are the two options are available. Now we have to enter the informations. The same information is already available in our PDF file. Okay, so here you can find. So there are multiple things are available which we have to enter. Okay, so few things I have already remembered. So let me enter the informations. Now under business partner role, so this is the role. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Page.
So first you have to enter the business partner role. So here there are multiple different types of roles are available. Like if I just search as a customer, so whenever you just type the customer, here you can find there are multiple types of customer are also available. So this is the one way how we can take the pre-filled data. Whenever we develop this type of parameters, I believe you have already remembered how to create this type of pre-filled value. Like in our payment method, we have entered the credit card, debit card, net banking. So here they have said as a types of customers. So this is the similar type of things is also available. Now here you can find there are two types of customer is available. Mainly different types of customer are available, but we are more interested on the simple customer, that is FLCU01 or FLCU00. That is the FI customer. What are the relationship between two this? So here FI customer is basically the customer which is directly linked to the FI oriented financial accounting. So definitely, if I sell some bike, there are some finance and accounting parties also involved. That's why we have to select FI customer, that is FLCU00. So if you by mistake select the first one, the same simple customer, definitely you are not able to enter the FI oriented data for your customer. Definitely again you have to modify the data. So it's better from the initial screen you have to select the FI customer, because there are some different type of tables we are maintaining. There are some different data or the table columns are also available. So we cannot directly edit or modify. Okay, so that's why everyone must select FI customer, that is FLCU00. FI customer. হয়েছে?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we have to enter few informations about the customer, business partner. Now here you can find the organization's title. Now if I just select the drop down menu, it is only showing the company, because whenever we click on the create option, you can find persons and organizations. Both the options are available. We have already selected organization. Organization is nothing but quite similar to company. That's why the only one option are available under organization title. So we have to select company. Hello, no problem. Now here you can find there are name one and name two options are available. Under name one, you have to enter the business partner name. But for our understanding or the data we have, so here we have to enter the bike zone. Exactly the same way I am writing over here. The bike zone. Clear? Now there is a one challenges maybe we can face. So if we give the bike name one as a bike zone, so let's suppose right now we have a 73 student. So 73 students will enter the same information. Then how we can identify which bike customer it belongs to which customer? So for that case, we have to take some trick over here. The trick is basically here you have to enter your SAP ID. So I am using the learn ID basically learn. I'm using learn-137. That's why I have entered the bike zone 137. So in your case, you have to also enter the bike zone and your SAP ID, learn-3 digit number, which I normally treat as a triple hash. So I triple hash is basically nothing but your last 3 digit number. Again, if you try to make it more clear or more simple, so again here you can enter your first name as well. So this is for JSC. So I just enter as a JSC. So here you can enter your first name. So your name one will be the bike zone, your SAP ID, and your name. Clear? The first name only. হয়েছে সবার? Please response.
Yes,
আচ্ছা,
sir.
Yes, sir. হয়েছে হয়েছে।
থামস আপ ওভার হিয়ার। হ্যাঁ, আমি কি করছি না, স্টেপ ওয়ানটা আমি অনেক টাইম নিয়ে করছি। ফ্রম নেক্সট স্টেপ থেকে আমি একটু স্পিড আপ করবো, রাইট? সো দ্যাট তোমরা বুঝতে পারো যে প্রবলেমগুলো কি। এখানে যদি তুমি কিছু রং ইনফরমেশন এন্টার করো, ভেরি ডিফিকাল্ট ফর আস টু মডিফাই দ্য ডেটা। সেই জন্য সময় নিয়ে প্রথম স্টেপটা একটু ঠিকঠাক করে করো। ওকে, হলো। নাও কাম ব্যাক টু দ্য নেম ওয়ান, উই হ্যাভ অলরেডি ডান। নেম টু ইজ নট রিকোয়ার্ড। Now scroll up and here you can find the street. So now general data we have normally enter the role, company title, and the first name. Now come back to the standard address. So here we have to enter the standard address is basically which is available at GBI. So that is 2144. The same address we have to enter. Now there is one question. So exactly same data we have to enter over here? Definitely yes, the same data, because this is the license, this is the data we have purchased. But whenever you work in a real company, the real scenario, definitely you have to enter the original data of your customer or the company. But as of now, you have to enter 2144 in Orange Avenue. Okay, this is the street address. House number, you can make it as simple blank. Now you have to enter the city. City is basically Orlando. Yes, with some address are available online Orlando. Now you have to enter the postal code. So here postal code is 32804. This is the postal code. 32804 is the postal code. Make sure you enter the right postal code. In some cases, we will find the master data of our business partner by searching maybe postal code, maybe city. So you are make sure you enter the right spelling over here. Now we have a country. So country is nothing but our US. So I have to just enter as US, and you can find the drop down menu is also available. From there you can also select US, no issue. Now we have to enter the region. Region is basically FL, maybe Florida. So just type F, and you can find Florida is also available. So you have to select the region as a FL, that is Florida. Now what are the communications language? Of course English. I just type English, EN, and you can find the English language is already available. So these are the standard address or the standard informations about our company we have filled. No issue. So still, if I repeat the same thing, whatever the data we have entered under general data, we have entered the FI row, that is FLCU00. Company title is basically nothing but company. The bike name one is bike zone. My last digit of your recipe ID, and I just give the college name, that is the JSC. And maybe in your case, we have to enter your first name, and under standard address, we have to enter the street address 2144 in Orange Avenue. Your city is Orlando, postal code 32804, country is US, region is FL, and English is English. So these are the data you have to enter. And after entering the data, just click on OK.
স্যার
Yes,
স্ট্রিটটা একবার দেখান।
street 2144 in Orange Avenue. বাবা সেভ করার পরে কেন বলছো? যা বলবে আগে, আমি বারবার তো জিজ্ঞাসা করে করে যাচ্ছি। 2144 in, একটা স্টুডেন্টের প্রবলেম মানে পুরো 76 স্টুডেন্ট সাফার করবে। তো সেইভাবে ধরে ধরে করো জিনিসটা। কত জিনিস ঠিকঠাক হয়েছে? হাউ মেনি অফ ইউ অন দ্য সেম স্ক্রিন? অর্ণব, সিদ্ধার্থ, গৌরব, Ishadri. Just try to enter it. So we have not yet completed the data. So that's why there are no such business partner number is assigned over here. Whenever we complete it by entering all the informations, you can find there are some unique number also be generated. Okay. Now if I just scroll down and to check the each and every information is available or not. So here you can find the company title, name one is also available. Okay. So যেটা আমরা already fill করলাম. Now if I again scroll down here, you can find the search term one. So here search basically our last three digit number. So I am using 137. I have to enter 137. Search term one is very, very important. So everyone must enter your last three digit of your recipe ID number. Clear? Now later on we cannot find our data. বুঝতে পারলাম? So under basic data, these are the informations we have to fill. Now here you can find the right side of the basic data, that roles tab is also available. Everyone got it? While I'm moving my cursor, this is the roles tab. Page one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now everyone click on roles tab. Now whenever I click on roles tab, here you can find there is basically the business partner role is available. FLCU00. দেখতে পেয়েছো?
Yes.
Yes. So that means right now one role is available, but আমাদের অবজেক্টিভটা কি ছিল? We have to select the another role also. সেটা তুমি সিলেক্ট করতে পারো। দাঁড়াও। Okay. Now, if I wish to enter more informations about this particular business partner role, here you can find the forward arrow is also available. দেখতে পেয়েছো while I am moving the cursor in the top right, sorry, middle right side corner. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
just click on the forward arrow. Just expand this particular part. Yes. Okay. So now we have expand our new business partner role, and here again you can find there is company code information is also available. Now our objective is that we have to enter the company related data. As I mentioned, first we enter the general information, then company related data, then sales area related data. So now our target is we have to enter the company code related data. So make sure everyone click the company under company code data. Okay, now whenever you click it company codes, here you can find there are no items are available. No items are available. That means no company code is already assigned with this particular company, a business partner. So again we have to create the company code. How we can create it? Again here you can find the create option is also available. But maybe you will get confused. What does it mean by create with reference? If you previously created any company code, the same reference you can also use over here to create your company codes. But as of now, we have not yet created. So first we have to create the company code. So instead of create with reference, definitely we will prefer the simple create options. So everyone please click on create option under company codes. So click on creates. Okay, now here you can find new company code. So these are the tabs supposed to be open. Now under new company code, you have to again enter the few informations about our company. Okay, so now under the company code, I already know what should be my company code, that is US00. Now if you want to expand, say what are the type of company codes are available for that case, you have to click on the expand option. So now if I click on the expand options, here you can find there are two company code are available. One is basically US00, another is basically DE00. If you remember, whenever I gave the same presentations, I have already mentioned. Then similar type of company code is also available. So now you can easily understand the theoretical part is very, very important so that you can understand. So what should be our objective? Our objective is basically to select the US based global bike part, like the US00. So everyone must select company code as a US00. So I have already selected US00. What is it?
Sir,
Hmm.
from previous expand option, how to go back?
Why you need to go back? So here you find the back option is also available. The key word again. Left
Arrow
forward
button.
arrow basically which is available. So click go back to the back icon and come back to this particular part. New company code. সবাই দিয়েছো company code as US00?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is my company code. If you enter wrong company code, then you cannot change your sales organization. You cannot change your division. You cannot change your delivery distribution channel. So there will be lots of complications. So make sure you enter your proper company code. Okay, that is global by USA. That is US00. Now, if I again scroll down, here you can find under correspondence, there are few data are also available, like accounting data, financial accounting informations. So there are multiple options are also be available that need to be filled. Okay. Now, if I come back to the finance tab, so here you can find the finance section is also available. Just scroll down, and here you can find the accounting information is also available. Now here we can find under accounting we have some reconciliation account. Basically there is a one like you can treat it as a simple your bank account number as of now. So whenever we start the financial part, definitely we will explain more on it. Now as of now there should be some bank informations. Basically types of reconciliation account is available where your payment will be credited or your payment will be debited. So now if I check how many types of reconciliation account are available, again you have to click on the square box option, and here you can find there are only one general ledger account is also available, that is trade receivable. Okay, the some number is also available, you have to just double click on it. Or if you know the general ledger account or reconciliation account, you have to just enter 1200, the entire information will be pasted. Or you have to just click on more option and you have to select the reconciliation account. Okay, now I believe there is no challenges. Okay, now after entering the reconciliation account, you have to enter the short key. Short key is basically
স্যার এই
how
জায়গাটা একটু আগের
you
থেকে বলবেন স্যার,
filter
একটু মিস করলাম। আমার করসপন্ডেন্স
কোনটা।
দেখাচ্ছে না কিছু, মানে
আরে স্ক্রল
অ্যাকাউন্টিং
ডাউন করো না
লাগবে।
তবে তো। আরে এখানে করসপন্ডিং দেখাচ্ছে তো।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
তো ওখানে সিলেক্ট করে দাও
দেখাচ্ছে।
ডিরেক্টলি করসপন্ডিং দিয়ে জাস্ট স্ক্রল ডাউন করে ফাইন্যান্সের মধ্যে তুমি এই জায়গাটা পাবে,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
তাহলে তো
পেয়েছি
হয়ে
স্যার,
যাবে।
পেয়েছি স্যার,
ওকে,
একটুখানি দাঁড়ান স্যার
নাও
আমি দেখি।
হিয়ার আরে জাস্ট এন্টার 1200, দ্যাটস ইট।
আচ্ছা
Now here you can find the short key. Short key মানে কি? This is basically the filter criteria. Sir, কি filter criteria আছে? Now again if I click on the square box, here you can find allocation number, posting date. Basically how you can filter out your informations. If I select based on our date, So dated basis you can filter your data. Cost center respective you can filter your data. So short key is nothing but our filter options. How you can filter your informations. But as of now we have to select the short key as basically 001, that is the posting date. তার মানে কি? Now, what are the date are available, or what are the date we have created the customer master data. So based on that you can filter out your information as well. So we have to select 001, that is posting date. So everyone select on this option. So short key must be your 001, that is posting date. Clear? Now এবার আমি একটা জিনিস যেটা বলতে চাইছিলাম, let's suppose you do not want to expand your options. How you can do that? Then you just normally enter 001 from your keyboard and you can find the drop down is already available. So from here you also can select it. One is basically select the more field option or directly enter the information from the PDF file. So as per your convenience. Okay. Now we have entered the short key. Now here you can find, if I again scroll down, okay, no, where is my payment terms? Planning group is required. As of now, I think it's not required. We are more interested on the payment terms. If I scroll down, yes, under payment data, basically in the right side part, here you can find the payment data is also available. Under payment data, you can find the payment terms. Now there is a challenge. Sir, what does it mean by payment terms? If you press the F1 functional key, it's properly fine. Otherwise, here you can find the small square box is available. If I click on the small square box, here you can find there are 13 types of payment terms are available. Like if you pay your payment within 14 days, you will get a 2% cash discount. If you pay within 14 days, you will get the 30% discount. So there are multiple types of payment terms are available. Okay. So based on your business scenario, if you have to select the payment terms, or normally you can select the pay immediately due date. Whatever the date you are giving, you have to pay within this date. There are no such discount or offer is available. Okay. So for our case study, we have to select the pay immediately with due date, that is 0001. So make sure everyone select the payment terms at 0001. Done? Still now it is properly okay? No confusion? Okay. Now, so the data we have to fill under new company code. I think no need to enter any other data as of now. Now if I go back to the PDF, these are the data, basic data, the roles, company code, it is US00, short key, payment receivable, we have already entered. Now we have to click on the apply. Okay. So come back to this part. Now here you can find in the bottom right side corner, you can find the apply button is also available. Now everyone click on apply. Whenever you click on apply options, and yes, you can find your information will be saved. And I just scroll up. There is no red color mark is available. Yes, now if I come back to the company code, here you can find initially there was no such company code is available, but as of now, whenever we click on apply, you can find company code inside the packet one is available. That means we have already entered, or the details of US00 company code is already available in our system. Okay. Now come back to the address part again. If I enter more informations, so here you can find the address option is also available. Okay. Now inside the address, if you wish to add more informations, how you can do that? Here you can find the one expand option is also available. This is the expand option. Clear? This is the address. If you click on expand option, here you can find there are three types of options are available. One is standard address, standard communications, and address details. So based on our requirement, we have to select the address details, basically the last option. Okay. Now click on address details tab. It will also redirect to this particular screen. Here you can find under address details, there are no such more information is available. So we have to expand it. So here you can find only one button is available, no name, no address is available, only the country US is available, and some validity periods is also available, but we have to expand it. For expand, here you can find the expand option is forwarded arrow is also available. So just click on it. Okay, no problem, I believe. Good to go. Continue, Gori.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just expand it. Yes. Now again you can find whatever the data we have to enter, the data is also already available. But our objective is we have to fill the more options, more data for address. So if I just scroll down, here you can find so more options are available. Like apart from street, postal code, city, country, and valid from valid to region, we have to enter more data. Here you can find the more field option is also available. Why I just move my cursor, so you can click on more option. Whenever I click on more option, you can find there are so many fields are also available, right? Apart from this, here you can find CO number, village, district, time zone, transportation zone, multiple options are also available. Now try to enter the more information. So again, based on your business scenario, you can filter more data, but here I only enter the transportation zone, right? So basically there are time duration is also required, so that's why we have to enter the transportation zone. What type of transportation zones are available? If I again click on the expand option, here you can find there are two transportation zones are available. One is region east or west. What time zone or time transportation zone you are selecting? So definitely we have to select that, I think US east. Okay, yes, you have to select region east. So that is followed by some 0 and 2. This is the region east, sorry, region east, the first one. That is followed by 1. So this is the region east transportation zone we have to select. Okay. Now again, there are no such in village, district or time zone we have to add it. So just you can click on the apply option. Okay. Now again, everyone must click on apply. Now here you can find under address details, which I have just already export and enter the tire transportation zone. No required. Okay. Now again, we have to come back to the roles part. So again, just scroll up, and here you can find roles option is also available. So just click on roles. Okay. If you face any challenges, please let me know. Otherwise, we will continue. Now again, click on roles, and now again here you can find only one role is available. Now here we have to create the another role. Okay, so how to create the another role? The same process, like you have to click on the create options. So that means our business partner is basically for the basic customer or FI customer. Okay, so that's why two roles are important. Now again, click on the create option under roles. It will take some time. Yes. Now here you can find the customer role option is also available. Now you have to expand it. Okay. Now how to do that? Again, the process is basically simple. You can here you have to just type the customer CUSTO. Yes. Whenever you type the customer, you can find FLCU00 is already available. So that is we have already selected FI customer. But right now we have to select the simple customer, that is FLCU01. Okay. So everyone must select this particular business role. Okay. Now we have to expand this particular business role. So how to do that? So for that case, you have to select the radio button or you have to expand it. Okay, just double click on it. Select the radio button, just double click in these options. Okay. আচ্ছা, আমি একটু expand করলাম। Is it expandable? Okay, not expanding right now. Just wait. Okay. See this customer 01. Now if I press enter from keyboard, let me check that screen is reacted or not. Arey yaar. Why it's not reflecting? আচ্ছা, পিডিএফটা দেখি কি বলেছে। More options we have entered, region list we have done, choose create in the empty business partner role, square box, customer. If a customer I have already entered. At the end of the new line, you can click the forward maintain more details, switch the sales area to maintain sales area data. Since no data is record, click on create. Okay, but why it's not expanding?
নিচে ওই অ্যাপ্লাই বাটনটা ক্লিক করলে তারপরে আসছে।
ওকে, ও বলেছে অ্যাপ্লাই বাটন, আমরা অ্যাপ্লাই বাটনে ক্লিক করলাম। বাট তুমি এরকম ভুলভাল ট্রাই করো না, যে বলেছো যদি সলিউশন আমাদের হয়ে যায় বেটার, বাট তুমি তোমার এর থেকে এইভাবে ট্রাই করো না, তাই তোমার ভুল হয়ে গেলে আমার কাছে বকা খাবে। ভেরি গুড। তো ও বলেছে অ্যাপ্লাই করার পর আসলে তারপরে ফরওয়ার্ড এরোটা আসছে, বাট তুমি নিজের থেকে এরকম ট্রাই করো না, ঠিক আছে? আমাকে গাইড করতে পারো, বাট ডিরেক্টলি করো না, কেন সামটাইমস ইউ উইল গেট সাম এরার মেসেজ, তো তখন প্রবলেম হতে পারে। ভেরি গুড, থ্যাংক ইউ। তো আমি এখানে ফরওয়ার্ড অ্যারো অপশনস পেয়েছি, তো ইউ হ্যাভ টু জাস্ট ক্লিক অন দ্য ফরওয়ার্ড অ্যারো অপশনস, দ্য FLCU 01, সো দ্যাট নিড টু বি এক্সপান্ড। আমি সেটাকে এক্সপান্ড করলাম। Yes, the same page is already available. Okay. Now আমাদের টার্গেট কি ছিল? We have to create the sales area. Where is the sales area tab is available? Yes, here you can find the sales area tab is available, option is available. So I am just moving my cursor, so you make sure you click on the sales area tab. Now under sales area there is no such information is available, and this is the last data for our business partner, because general data we have entered, company information related data we have already entered, and this is the last data, that is the sales area data. Okay, there is no such information is available under sales area, so again we have to click on create. So everyone click on create. Yes. Now only three things is very very important under sales area. One is sales organization, distribution channel, and divisions. That part we have already discussed. So our sales organization is UE00. So type UE00, that is the sales organizations. Okay. Division is bicycle, and distribution channel is wholesale. So what are the shortcut? If you enter UE00, and let me first remove all of this option, and whenever you type UE, yes, just type UE, and you can find UE distribution channel is basically IN, division is BR, then WH, then 00 is cost divisions, but the last one is basically we have to enter select, that is UE00, WH, and bicycle. So if I select the last option, automatically the division and the distribution channel also be manually automatically selected. You can find all the information is already entered by default. So do not need to change the division as well as the distribution channel. Okay, done. No confusion. Wholesale and bicycle we have already entered.
স্যার
Okay.
স্যার একটু প্রবলেম করে ইউএস প্রবলেম
চেঞ্জ
হয়ে
করে
গেছে।
দাও, যদি চেঞ্জ করে দেখেন চেঞ্জ করে দাও, তাহলে হবে। UE00 তো আছে, তো সিলেক্ট করে দাও।
অ্যাকচুয়ালি
হয়েছে?
অপশনটা আসছে না, হোলসেল বাই সাইকেল, জাস্ট ফার্স্ট অপশনটা আসছিল।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হোলসেলটা আসছে না স্যার, শুধু ইন্টারনেট ইন্ডিয়াটাই আসছে এই জায়গাটা।
তো ম্যানুয়ালি এন্টার করো না।
সে একটু টাইম দিন।
হুম।
স্যার ডিভিশন আর ডিস্ট্রিবিউশনটা ক্লিয়ার করে দিলেই চলে আসবে ওটা।
হ্যাঁ, ওটাও সিম্পল ব্যাপার, একবার চেষ্টা করে হয়ে যাবে, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে আমাদের মোটামুটি এই পার্টটা হয়ে যাবে। হয়েছে হয়েছে।
Yes, sir, done. Wholesale bicycles, US list. Okay, done, sir.
Okay. Now just scroll down. Here you can find sales area details. Now again there are few informations we have to enter, like the postal code, or the, like in our theoretical part we are taking example as a Kollani, Khorda, Nodia, multiple locations we have mentioned. But here we have to enter more informations about your districts. So under sales districts we have to enter as US 001. So that just type US and 000 and then 1. Yes, the specific northwest USA. So this is basically the sales district. So everyone please type US 001, or you can just click on the more option, and from there you have to select US 001. Okay, wait a sorry. Okay, I have selected the sales district. Okay, now here you can find the is there any currency? Yes, here you can find the currency option is also available. If you just scroll down, you can find the currency. So under currency you have to enter USD. US. There are two USDs available. Both are I think same, internal USD, state dollar 5D. Okay, you can select any one of the USD. So I just select the first one, second one. That is the internal United States dollar. This is the currency we have selected. Okay. Now after that, is there anything you have to enter? Yes. Now just scroll down the billing section. Just scroll down. Yes, this is the billing section. So under billing sections, here you can find the income terms is also available. Uh, so here you have to select as a I think কি যেন দিতে হচ্ছিল Miami, right? Now location one, FOB, right? A free on board. So under input terms, you have to just type FOB, that is free on board. Okay. And input terms location, you have to enter Miami. M-I-A-M-I. So this is the two thing you have to enter as of now. Like input terms as a free on board, input terms location as Miami, and nothing else. Is there any payment terms? Yes, again, under billing tab, you also find the payment terms. The same payment terms you have to enter, that is 0001, that is pay immediately due date, the first one. Okay, clear? So under billing options, we have entered input terms as a free on board, input terms location one, that is Miami, and payment terms as 0001. So this is the information you have to enter. Okay, now is there any other information? Yes, under shipping tab, here you can find the delivery priority. So what type of, based on your product types, you have to select the priority is basically high or normal. So we are supposed to sell bike, so it's basically normal item. So you have to select the delivery priority as a normal. 0001. Pay immediately due note. Shipping condition is shipping priority, delivery priority is normal items, and you can find the delivery plan. So our delivery plan is basically I think Miami. So you just enter MI00, that is DC Miami. So delivery plan you have to enter. Now the shipping conditions. Again, if I just expand these options, here you can find immediate, pickup, return, or standard. Okay, what type of conditions will be available over here? It's immediately shipped, or pickup, or return, or standard. So no need to do the any return or pickup. So you have to just select the standard. So this is the shipping conditions. Okay. Wait a over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me scroll down. Here we are the accounting area. Under accounting, you can find account assessment group, and here we have to select the domestic one. Yes. Which one? The domestic revenue. Okay. So under accounting assessment group, the types of basically account group is also
স্যার
available.
অ্যাকাউন্টিং এরিয়াটা কোথায় আছে?
Just scroll down. After entering this all the information, you have to just scroll down, and here you can find accounting part. Under accounting, domestic, make sure you are under sales area details. We are still entering the sales related data. पेज हो
सर फिर से एक बार स्क्रॉल कीजिएगा ऊपर में
कौन सा डेटा तुमको फिल करना है बोलो?
सर पेमेंट टर्म थे सर, थोड़ा दिखा दीजिए पेमेंट टर्म्स को.
ये तो पेमेंट टर्म्स तुम्हारा 0001. क्लियर? देन स्क्रॉल अप करके तुमको शिपिंग का डेटा फिल करना चाहिए. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे स्क्रॉल डाउन करके नीचे आना है. अकाउंटिंग में डोमेस्टिक रेवेन्यू देना है. Now after entering this data, here you can find the partial delivery per items. So that means if you have 100 products, 100 bikes, so partial delivery can be acceptable or not. So from that case, you have to select the drop down, and here you can find the last option, that is the partial delivery allow. So if you want to allow it, you can select. So I have just click on the partial delivery option is allow. Okay. Now here is you can find the price group. So under price group, you can find there are two types of price group.
पेमेंट टर्म से सर नहीं हो रहा है.
That is bulk buyer as well as the occasional buyer. So you have to select the bulk buyer. Payment terms क्यों क्या नहीं हो रहा है? तो shipping में डाला है normal item.
हाँ सर.
प्लान में DC में डाला है डिलीवरी प्लान.
डिलीवरी प्लान
जहां पर मेरा स्क्रीन है देखो ना. मेक श्योर तुम सेल्स एरिया डिटेल्स में से मतलब सिलेक्ट होना चाहिए.
डिलीवरी प्लांट में नहीं डाले हैं.
तो डालो MI00.
एक मिनट सर.
স্যার আমি ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন চ্যানেল এটা ম্যানুয়ালি টাইপ করছি, তারপর ওটা এরর আসছে।
আরে দেখো, ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন চ্যানেল সবসময় কি দিতে বললাম, UE00, WH, বাইসাইকেল, এই তিনটে জিনিস যেন হয়। আরে ডেলিভারি প্ল্যান ডালা MI00।
স্যার ওগুলো করেছি, তারপরেও শুধুমাত্র ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন চ্যানেলটাতে এরর আসছে, আর বাকি দুটো ঠিক আছে। সেলস
ম্যানুয়ালি লিখলে
অর্গানাইজেশন
এটা হবে না,
UE00
ওটা
ঠিক আছে।
সিলেক্টই করতে হবে। তুই সব কটা কেটে দিয়ে আরেকবার UE00 দে, তাহলে অপশনটা আসবে।
আচ্ছা, তোমার হয়েছে যে শিপিং এর প্রবলেম করছিলে?
না স্যার।
কোথায় আছে MI00 পরে শিপিং কন্ডিশন স্ট্যান্ডার্ড দাও।
हाँ सर, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व।
अरे बस ये तो ऑप्शन से इसको सिलेक्ट करो तो तुम्हारे पास स्टैंडर्ड ऑप्शन आ जाएगा, इसको क्लिक करो बस हो जाएगा, फिर स्क्रॉल डाउन करके नीचे आ जाओ, देन तुम्हारे अकाउंटिंग टैब में आना है। इधर उत्तर हुआ है?
Yes, sir.
ओके, नाउ अकाउंटिंग टैब में आओ, देन डोमेस्टिक रेवेन्यू सिलेक्ट करो, पार्शियल डिलीवरी अलाउ करो और बाग बाय करो, बस सिंपल। बस ड्रॉप डाउन के ऊपर क्लिक करो, ड्रॉप डाउन क्लिक करो तो बहुत जल्दी जल्दी हो जाएगा। ओके, नाउ फाइनली यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द कस्टमर प्राइस प्रोसीड्यूर। इसमें तुम्हारा कुछ सिलेक्ट करने के लिए होगा, यस, यू हैव टू जस्ट टाइप 1। 1 means basically here standard, so customer price procedure is basically 1, so you have to select the one that is the standard. So customer price procedure is already done and no other information is required as of now. Yes, all good. So what is I need your confirmations.
Yes, sir.
No issue, no challenges, very good. Now we have to just scroll down. This is the last thing we have to enter. Under sales area taxes, is there any taxes available? You have to enter, but as of now we do not interested to enter any type of tax, so that we have to select 000, that is the exam. So make sure you have entered 000 in the 3 different tax clarifications, 000. হয়েছে সবার?
স্যার আমি
Yes,
এটা
sir.
করার আগে অ্যাপ্লাই ক্লিক করে ফেলেছি।
हाँ हाँ।
0 দাও।
नहीं।
ए माइक म्यूट करो।
अरे भाई, इसीलिए तो मेरा चल नहीं रहा,
अरे
बोल रहे
माइक
काहे नहीं चल रहा है।
माइक म्यूट करो, किसका बोल रहे हैं माइक म्यूट करने के लिए? Okay, so make sure you enter
Sir.
3 different tax clarification.
স্যার
দেবাঞ্জন, হ্যাঁ।
স্যার ট্যাক্সে কিছু দেখাচ্ছে না, আমাদের পুরো ফাঁকা দেখাচ্ছে, নো ডেটা।
আরে জিরো বলছি তো।
No
মানে
items
স্যার
available.
হ্যাঁ, নো আইটেমস অ্যাভেলেবেল দেখাচ্ছে।
Sales area tax.
মানে সেলস এরিয়ার পরে ট্যাক্সের মধ্যে আসো তো, স্ক্রল ডাউন করে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ওখানেই নো আইটেমস অ্যাভেলেবেল দেখাচ্ছে, ডোন্ট নো ওয়াই।
না দেখো, আমি তোমাকে বলছি এরকম প্রথমে দেখাচ্ছে কি?
না স্যার, ওই তিনটে নেই।
এই তিনটে নেই, এই সেকশনটাই নেই। আগে অব্দি সব এক্স্যাক্টলি সেম টু সেম আছে।
না না, লেট মি চেক। এখানে কি দেখাচ্ছে সেলস এরিয়া, নিউ সেলস এরিয়া?
ইয়েস স্যার।
ওকে, জেনারেল ডেটা, সেলস এরিয়া ডিটেলস।
ইয়েস স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, তো তাহলে তুমি স্ক্রল ডাউন করলে তিনটে জিনিস পাচ্ছ না? এর যে ট্যাক্সেস
No,
ফুল
sir.
কলাম আছে।
হ্যাঁ আছে স্যার, বাট এই তিনটে আইটেমস শো করছে না।
তাহলে তোমার এইখানে কোনো একটা জিনিস ভুল করেছো, কোথায় বলো তো?
সব স্ট্যান্ডার্ড করেনি মনে হচ্ছে ওটা। সেল ট্যাক্স, সেল এরিয়া ট্যাক্সের স্ট্যান্ডার্ড করতে হবে, তবেই ওটা আসবে।
এই যে শিপিং কন্ডিশনে কি দিয়েছো? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আগে আমি এটা সেভ করি, না হলে বাকিটা কনফিউশন হবে, তারপরে ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি আমি দেখবো কাদের কি প্রবলেম আছে। তো মেক শিওর ইউ হ্যাভ এন্টার 3 0 and I have entered the 3 different 0 for the 3 different tax clarifications. Okay, as of now যদি তোমার কোনো প্রবলেম না থাকে বা those who have not facing any issue, you have to just click on apply. Now here you can find my sales area data, company code and each and everything is already available. There is no such problem. Okay, no red color mark is available. If you get any red color mark, that means there should be some error, but as of now there is no error, so again I have to click on apply. So 2 times you have to
স্যার আমার এরর
click on apply. আরে বাবা দাঁড়াও, আগে বাকিদের দেখতে দিই। So to apply is already available. Yes. No error is available over here. Each and every details is already entered. Now here you can find that create option is available. So now your task to click on that create option. Now whenever I click on create option, you can find there should be some system generic unique number will be available. So in my case here you can find master record has been created. That means the business master data we have already created successfully, and you get my one customer unique number, that is 1003231, and this is the customer name, that is bike zone 137 JSC. Now how many of you successfully complete this step? Mainly receiving this particular ID, give a just raise your thumbs up like so that I can understand how many of you complete these steps. So come back to this part, open queue, কাদের হয়েছে? পবিত্র গুপ্ত, সোহম, সায়ক, অর্ণব, অর্ঘ্য, পৌলমী,
স্যার স্ক্রিনটা আরেকবার দেখাবেন?
কুমুদ। ওকে, সো অনেকেই দিচ্ছে, দেখি লাস্ট অবধি কতজন আমাদের যায়। লাস্ট অবধি স্ক্রিন কি, এটাই হচ্ছে তোমার স্ক্রিন। অ্যাপ্লাই দেন ক্রিয়েট, and you can find this particular information. Okay, now এবার কাদের কি প্রবলেম আছে সেটা দেখবো। সো বিফোর দ্যাট আই হ্যাভ টু চেক মাই মনিটরিং সেকশন, যে how many of you successfully completed this part. Now I have to log in to the system. Get to refresh this part.
স্যার হয়ে গেছে।
Very good. Now তোমার আইডি কত থেকে শুরু হয়েছে? ওকে, সো 310 এর যে জায়গাটা সেখানে দেখো অনেকেরই এখানে ইয়েলো কালারের ট্রায়াঙ্গেল আছে, দ্যাট মিন্স উই হ্যাভ সাকসেসফুলি কমপ্লিটেড দ্য স্টেপস, and also you getting some percentage like 27%, 27%, 27%. So those who have successfully completed the step, you are getting some percentage, right? Instead of 0 you are getting some marks. Now যদি আমি পরের ব্যাচটা দেখতে চাই, লাইক কত থেকে আছে জানো বাকি স্টুডেন্টরা? 300 ছাড়া 300টা কাদের ছিল? আচ্ছা, 300টা ছিল তোমাদের ইসিএন আইটি, সিএসিটা ছিল তোমাদের 70 মানে 70 থেকে 70 means this one. So I have to select the module, that is SD case study, and if I click on run, it's not required as of now. Click on run. Again you can find few of you getting some red color tick mark, that means you are getting some error, and we have successfully completed, good to go. আচ্ছা
স্যার 087 দেখুন স্যার একবার, স্যার 087 দেখুন তো হয়েছে নাকি স্যার?
আরে বাবা কথা বলছি একটা তো, অন্য এত ব্যস্ত হলে হবে? এই রেকর্ডিংটা অফ করেছো প্রিয়াংশু? ওকে ডান।